Today, I want to teach you how to look at the chart and step by step, from the beginning, analyze the chart together, and see how we can enter a trade, and if it ends in profit or loss, what exactly we should do. Hi, I'm Tradiology. I hope we have a good lesson together. Please subscribe to my channel before watching this tutorial. And if you like the video, make sure to hit the like button. Alright, let's go to the chart. Imagine this chart is in front of you. We want to see how we should enter a position. First of all, zoom out a little so you can see the chart from a distance. Always keep in mind that you must understand the overall structure of the chart. We will examine several different setups today so that it becomes completely clear for you. First, we must draw the important levels that exist on the chart. By doing this, the type of position we're going to take will be much easier. Once we draw the levels, our job becomes much easier. In 80% of the times, the price is going to move between our levels, and we know that if we enter a sell position during this pullback, we can hold the trade until this level. And if this level holds, which it most likely will, then the target of the price is this previous level. And if the price reaches this zone and breaks it, the target is completely clear, and it is this next area. Now imagine during the live market, the price breaks this level downward. It's always better to wait for a pullback. Pullback to where? Pullback to this same level that was broken. The best and most reliable thing to do is to make sure that when the price reaches our level, you see a large bearish candle before entering a sell position. Please do not enter on these small candles. If the bearish candle has strength, it's very likely a sign of sellers re-entering. Most importantly, make sure to follow risk management, which I emphasize in all my videos. There are several videos on my channel about risk management, and in the future, I'm going to present more advanced tips for you. Now, look at this chart. In my tutorials, I expect that when I teach one topic, you pause before the next examples and try to draw what you've learned on the chart yourself. Then play the video and see whether you did it correctly or not. This way, your learning will be much easier and more precise. Alright, in this example, according to the rule we just learned, first you need to draw your levels. This is how I draw the levels, and in my opinion, this is the most accurate way to draw them. Now, the chart has moved away from the confusion it had at the beginning, and I know how I should take positions in each area. For example, when I see the price has broken both the trend line and our level like this, I can wait for a pullback. The pullback can happen to two areas. Pay close attention. The first pullback might happen to this broken horizontal area. So if the price pulls back to this area, after seeing a good full-body bullish candle, enter the trade and set your targets based on the backtesting you've done. If you don't know what backtesting is, I've explained it in previous videos. Please make sure to watch them. Sometimes the pullback is a bit deeper, and the price reaches this broken trend line, and then moves up from there. But pay attention, if you want to enter a trade on the trend line, your first take profit should be this level. This is a very important point because the price might reach this level and start falling from there. These small tips will help you a lot, so make sure to follow them. When a level is broken, the next level ahead becomes our take profit target, and the level that's broken becomes support. The price moves between our levels this way, but it's not that simple and requires practice, effort, and consistency. Now please look at this chart. The chart has formed a very complex and overlapping structure, which makes it a bit hard to draw levels. My suggestion is that in situations like this, don't trade. Wait until a cleaner structure forms, then it will be easier to enter a trade. But I have a responsibility to explain these situations too. So let's try to find the levels on this chart. Pay close attention to the number of touches and try to draw the strongest levels you can find. In my opinion, these levels could be good. In previous examples, I explained how you can trade using these levels. Look at the overall structure of the chart. It's ranging. So basically, you can take trades in both buy and sell directions. So, if the price reaches any level, and you see a good signal, I emphasize a good signal, you can enter a trade. A very important note, please pay attention. Right now, you should not go and trade in the live market. I want you to definitely test today's lesson in the past market data. And if it works successfully, then trade with confidence in the real market. I hope the tutorials on this channel can help you grow and progress. Thanks for staying with me until the end of the video. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you liked the video, hit the like button. Goodbye.